Hello and welcome to our look at Henyep Markets review video. Henyep has been around for ages. 1977, it started as a gold and silver trading company in Hong Kong. It's been regulated ever since then through various forms. Global recognized leader and old guard, really, of the financial world. You can see in the background there's their proprietary platform. They do have MetaTrader 4, though. They offer three different types of accounts, and you have the ability to look at the various account types here on the website, and you can see that there is a fixed account, and it has spreads from 1.8 pips. This is your no commission typical Forex account that you see in most places, quite frankly. Minimum deposit of $100. You have the classic, which is variable spreads. Starts at about 1.2. Minimum deposit of $100. Allows you to trade micro lots, and that's true with the raw, which think ECN here. 0.2 pips is it goes all the way down to there. $4 round turn. Minimum deposit is 200. All of them are available for Islamic trading as well. It should also be pointed out that they have easy withdrawal and deposit methods. It's very straightforward. You can do bank wire transfers as you can at most brokerage firms. There's a minimum of $250 this route, but there's no fees regardless of how you do it. The minimum is $20 on Visa, MasterCard, WebMoney, NetTeller, and Skrill. And then you can see withdrawals. Bank wires minimum is $300, 20 the other ways as well. Fees are none, but again, the bank wire it does have minimums, and that's quite frankly because it costs a lot of money to wire internationally. So with the spreads and commissions, the spreads, like I said, offers the small spreads, 1.8 on the fixed, again, and 1.2 and higher on the classic, and then, of course, the raw account, which can be as low as 0.2. Henyep allows 1 to 200 leverage, which is reasonable. I mean, you're levering up an account 200 times. That's a lot. Keep in mind that there are brokers out there that offer much more, but understand that leverage isn't always a good thing. Quite frankly, leverage kills a lot of accounts if you don't know how to use it properly. That being said, you can see that leverage does change a little bit with the products, as I will get into here in a moment. The company itself, like I said, it's been around since 77. I mean, that's a long time. Now, they were originally members of the Hong Kong Gold and Silver Exchange Society. By 81, they already had 25 overseas offices. And then 98, they became part of the FCA in the United Kingdom, and HYCM in 2015. You can see that, like I said, 40 years is a long time. Quick execution, over 100 trading instruments. So that, of course, is good. The range of markets, we'll go ahead and take a look at that. That's always the most fun part of a broker. And as I pull this up, you'll see that there's Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. Now, Forex has over 40 pairs. So you have the usual, the euro, dollar, dollar yen, those types. But they also include some fairly exotic currencies like the Indian rupee and the Russian ruble. So there is that. Now, stocks, I will say, leverage is just 1 to 20, and that's not that uncommon for stock CFDs to be more of like a 5% margin requirement. Stocks, there's only a handful of them. It does allow you to trade Facebook and Google, though, Amazon, Apple, Alibaba, Twitter, some of the bigger ones. Indices are the U.S. indices and the FTSE 100. That gives you minor exposure to the indices. Cryptocurrencies is the four largest ones um, there, and you can see that they uh, offer Ethereum, Ripple, and they have recently offered Bitcoin Cash. So there are a total of five cryptos. Commodities, of course, are gold and silver, and that allows you to trade both in US dollars and euros. The max leverage is 1 to 67. So, in other words, $67 for every one that you put down for leverage or margin. And, they do have decent education, nice knowledge base that you can learn about the Forex markets if you need. There is a tool section that's quite nice. You can see ebooks and tutorials, beginners course, that type of thing. But the tools include, the usual economic calendar, news, market outlook, calculators, those type of things. So while they do offer quite a bit, really it's reliability that you're paying for it. Henyep would be my guess at this, because you're going to be hard pressed to find brokers out there that have been around this long. And there comes a lot of weight with that type of integrity.